Alright, so today we're showing you how to change the Comfort Access antenna on the F30 BMW. Now this particular one had issues where you would come up to the car and you try to open the door and it will not unlock. You will have to hold the key closer to the back. I'm guessing that the rear antenna for the tailgate is what is being used. So we'll be showing you how to replace this. Now this is the new one that I picked up earlier today. You can see the part number there. Right, so to get access to where the Comfort Access antenna is, it's located right here behind the running board. So to get it off, you just hold on it and you just pull it back. There are some clips holding it. You just give it a firm pull to open the side, exposing it. Now you can also pull the screws underneath to take this off completely, but I am doing it shortcut. So you can pull this down and you will see the antenna right there, held in by a clip. You just to pull it and release it and replace it. Now there's a clip that's up top here that holds it in. So you're going to get a flat point screwdriver and you're just going to depress the little clip on top. Now I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm doing that. You're going to get the screwdriver and I'm going to put it in right there, and there's a clip that you pull to get it out. There, I got it out. I had to do it a little bit off camera because I need both hands. So this, now you'd pull this and you'd squeeze the clip here and unplug it there. So now I've gotten rid of the old one and now it's time to replace it with the new one. This being the new one, I'm just gonna get it. I'm just gonna secure the plug and push it up until it clicks. You know it has been secured. And then you're gonna replacement is just a reverse of how you removed it. You can put it in this way in the groove and you push it up and the clip will hold the top of it right here. And after it has been replaced and secured, then you replace the running board. It's just basically the reverse of the remover. You can put it up and there are some clips here that you have to align with the placing and push it in and you'll hear it clearly. You will hear it snap in place. And that's basically it. And remember, before you work on any electronic component of the car, please disconnect the negative battery terminal just to avoid any damage. There, the running board is now all secured and now ready to test. I'm reconnecting the battery terminal and just replacing battery terminal now. I'm tightening it. The 10mm socket. Okay, so now I have the key fob. I'm just going to place it in my pocket. This way now. You can test the car, see if it works. Yes, it does work. So walk up to the car and grab the handle. The door opens. And the door is locked. Alright. Alright, and that's a successful replacement of the comfort access antenna on the BMW F30.